Hey there, ladies. I just thought I would do a quick tutorial on how to use Dropbox if you don't know how to use it already. It's a really cool tool that helps you organize everything, and you can make it super easy by um, downloading and installing Dropbox on your computer, and then you can access it from your files just like any other folder on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is go to www.dropbox.com/install and download and install Dropbox. I already have it downloaded and installed on my computer. I have a Mac. It's pretty similar for a Windows computer. Once it's installed, you'll be able to get this little icon in your top bar. So that means you have access to it. And you can see here, Indira has invited me to Holiday Market 2017 back in the day. It also shows your recent files. And it also allows you to sync files to your computer. So if you go to this little gear button and then you click on Preferences, you can go to the Sync button and choose which folders to sync. So I have my Dropbox folder location in my home file on my computer. So I selected that, and then I click on choose folders to sync. So I use this for work as well as my kids' stuff and also for Holiday Market. So here I have Holiday Market 17 and 18 clicked. So they'll show up on my computer when I sync them. So this is done. If you wanted to lose it, you could just unclick it, but I don't want to. I like having it there. So you would just hit update. Then when you go to your files on your computer in Finder or wherever else on Windows, you can actually see it pops up here. So if I went to Louise Blanchard 1, which is my desktop files, I have it in here, Dropbox right here. And you can see everything that I have synced to sync between my cloud Dropbox and my computer will show up here. So all the files are down in here, and here's my Holiday Market 17 and 18. Now I chose to move Holiday Market 18 to the sidebar, which you can do. You can just click it and put it right there, and it'll just show up every time in your sidebar, or you can just click it through these files here. The cool thing about this is that it will automatically sync everything. So everything that I have added in the cloud files will automatically sync up on my desktop. So I can work directly from my desktop and they'll stay there even if I'm offline. So if I'm working on a timeline or updates, it will automatically sync there, and anybody who's sharing the file can see it, which is so cool because it's right there for everybody to access. You can work on it on your laptop. You don't have to be logged in to Dropbox online. But you also can work Dropbox online. So it's all here. You log into Dropbox. It'll bring you to your home page, and then you can go to the files. So I click on files here, and it's loading slowly but surely. I can go down to Holiday Market in here, and there it is. So I can work directly in here, or I can work on my desktop, and they'll both automatically sync up, and everybody who has access can see the changes real time. So that was a real quick and dirty. I sped through a lot of it. If you have any questions, let me know, but that's just the basics. So try it out, and we'll be inviting all of you guys to share the Holiday Market 2018 file very soon so that you can see what your timelines are, what things you need to be working on, and you can update and add things as you go. And we love for you to update and add things as you go. Thanks, guys.